Hello everyone, it's been a while. Before I start my video, allow me to update you guys a bit. I've been caught up with a freelance work. I will update it on my main channel. If you watched my last video, I really love Narancia. I actually planned to make a torture dance fan animation, but unfortunately, I was overwhelmed by the amount of drawing I need to make this into a reality. So, goodbye. Back to the video. I've been working on a side project. Can you guess who is this based upon? Of course. Now let's try it on. Oh no. I find this part is slightly loose. After intense research on YouTube, I only have this question in mind. Does it work? In this video, we're going to find that out. First, you will need to prepare the following item: a pot, a stove, clean cloth, basin, tongue, ice, water. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the water. Boil the water on the pot to the stove and prepare the ice water on the basin. Step 2. Use the tongue. Dip the phone case, not your phone, onto the water. Since the loose part is small, I dip it for 15 seconds. Make sure it didn't touch the pot if you don't want it to be melted. Step 3. Dry the case with the cloth. Be careful, it's hot. Step 4. Shape the loose part of the case. I repeat, only bend the loose part. And dip it onto the ice water. Soak the case for a few seconds. Step 5. Dry the case with a cloth. And now you have a fitted case. If the case still loose, wait for the case to be in the room temperature. Repeat step 2 onwards. I took 3 tries before I managed to get the shape right. Here's the comparisons. Please do share your experience of trying this tutorial in the comments below. Thank you for watching.